Today, we're counting down the top 5 affordable robot vacuums in 2025. These bots make daily cleaning easier, handle pet hair, and won't blow your budget. Let's get into it. Product links are in the description below. Number 5, iLife of 3s Pro. A basic but reliable robot vacuum that's ideal for hardwood floors and pet owners. It doesn't have mapping or Wi-Fi, but for basic cleanup, it gets the job done. Number 4, Lafont M210 Pro. Slim, powerful, and quiet. This one works well under furniture and features anti-collision sensors plus app control. Great for apartments and smaller homes. Number 3, Roborock Q5. Offers LiDAR mapping, strong suction, and smart app features, all in a surprisingly affordable package. It's a solid mid-range vacuum with premium-level cleaning. Number 2, Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 15C Max. Strong suction, app control, voice assistant support, and a quiet cleaning experience. A great all-rounder for both carpets and hard floors. Number 1, iRobot Roomba 694. Roomba is still the go-to brand for reliability. This model offers solid suction, dirt detect sensors, voice control, and a great price for the performance. It's simple, durable, and just works. That's our roundup of the top 5 affordable robot vacuums in 2025. Check the description for links to the latest deals. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart tech reviews every week.